Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Install DNS Changer, only way from your device app store and open it. Read the intro screen and accept basic terms if shown. Grant VPN or local network permissions when the app requests them on first use. These permissions let the app redirect DNS without rooting your device. Have DNS IPs ready such as 1.1.1.1.8.8.8 or a custom provider IP. Keep a backup of your current DNS addresses before changing any settings. Select the DNS profile option inside the app screen and choose a preset or custom DNS. Select either the preset DNS like 1.1.1.1 or enter a custom DNS IP manually. Choose the protocol you prefer, such as UDP on port 53 or DNS over TLS on port 853. Configure fallback DNS like 8.8.8.8 for resilience. Enable the toggle labeled Start or apply to activate the new DNS, and wait for the verify DNS changes by visiting a test site or using a DNS leak test app on your device. Confirm the resolver IP matches the DNS IP you entered, for example 1.1.1.1. Keep the DNS Changer app running for persistent DNS behavior, or enable auto start on boot if the app supports it. If you experience connectivity issues, revert to your backup DNS or clear the app cache and retry. Periodically update the app to receive protocol and security improvements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.